ये नौबत आ गई है कि जैसे ही चुनाव आएगा, जैसे हरियाणा में और महाराष्ट्र में, तो सीबीडीटी के लोग हमारे अकाउंटेंट्स के घर में जाकर घुसकर फ्राइडे शाम को 6 बजे से लेकर एतवार शाम तक बैठे रहें, कोई वारंट नहीं, कोई डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं, और कहें कि जब तक घर पे नहीं लोग आते, और छोटे छोटे फ्लैट में जाकर कब्जा करते हैं 6 लोग, और सारे हिंदुस्तान में, चाहे वो कानपुर हो, चाहे केरला हो, चाहे दिल्ली हो। और तो क्या ये क्या मतलब है? मैंने क्या आप हमें मालूम है कि हर चीज का दुरुपयोग तो करते ही हो, ईडी को भी करते हो, और सीबीआई का भी करते हो, अब सीबीडीटी पूरी तरीके से दुरुपयोग हो रहा है। और जिस तरह से अगर ये दिस इज नॉट ए डेंजर टू द वेरी फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ इंडियन डेमोक्रेसी, अगर ये लोकतंत्र पे हमला नहीं है तो क्या है? और ये बात हमने सीईसी को जाकर बताई और कहा कि आप इस पे कुछ रोक लगाइए, और आप कहिए कि जब तक इलेक्शन चल रहा है, अगर इनको कुछ ऐसा काम करना है तो आपके पास आएं, आपसे अनुमति लें, और फिर जो भी करना है करें। ये नहीं कि मतलब कि काम हो गया, बात खत्म हो गई, इसका तो कोई फायदा नहीं है। तो और कैथल में जो हो रहा है वो एक अजीबोगरीब बात है कि कैथल में गुंडे लोग सड़कों पे आ गए हैं, और SC ST जो वहाँ शेड्यूल कास्ट के लोग हैं उनको डरा रहे हैं, ताकि धमका रहे हैं ताकि वो वोट नहीं करें, और जो सबसे बड़े गुंडे हैं कुछ जगह के, उनको पैरोल दे दिया गया है, कि वो खुलेआम लोगों को धमका रहे हैं। तो ऐसे लोकतंत्र कैसे चलेगा? तो हमने ये आग्रह किया है इलेक्शन कमीशन से कि आप इसकी जांच करवाइए, वहाँ फोर्सेस और बढ़ाइए ताकि ये काम नहीं।
See, taking on from what Kapil Sibal has said, and all of us have met the Election Commission, they have a constitutional mandate to ensure that the elections are free and fair. They cannot be targeting and using and abusing the official agencies, the major political party in opposition. For 3 days, the Congress party's account section was totally paralyzed. With whatever meager funds the party has at its disposal, considering the fact that the BJP is the richest political party of the world and has massive funds and resources at its disposal, which has been very well documented not only nationally but globally. Congress party is required to transfer whatever funds it has to its candidates in Maharashtra and in Haryana in their designated bank accounts by check. That is what the election law requires. And we have been prevented from doing that, and that is illegality. And we have conveyed to the Election Commission that they should intervene. We have seen it happening in the last election. It is happening now brazenly. India cannot be converted into a state where the democracy is under perpetual siege and the tax department of the government cannot become a department of the ruling party, the BJP.
One other thing, please ask this government, have they ever raided the party in power, their own party in power, and the officials there in any state in India? Or any of their Sayogi does, their alliance partners? Have they ever raided anybody? It's only the Congress party?
We have never raided.
When we were in power, we never raided like this.
Sir, in the complaint, what are the points you are highlighting?
We've already explained to you. He has said, he has explained, Anandji has explained to you that our department is paralyzed. Our accounts department is paralyzed. How do we fund the election? And these checks, these monies have to be sent by check. We can't send them to the accounts. How will we fight the election? I mean, I know in what way they fund their people, that we know. But we are doing it through checks.
So what assurance has the Election Commission?
We have asked the Election Commission to call the CBDT to account, to call Secretary Revenue to account, to call the chairman of the Central Board of Direct Taxes to account, seek an explanation as to why this arbitrary, high-handed and completely draconian behavior is taking place. That's what we specifically asked the Election Commission to do.
Thank you.